Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to monitor, analyze, and manage your AI credits usage in BoldDesk using the AI Credits Usage Dashboard and the AI Credits Consumption and Balance Dashboard. To get started, log in to your BoldDesk account as an administrator. Please note that only admins and account owners can access AI credits details. To learn more about what permissions and roles are required to view AI agent performance dashboards, check out the video linked in the card and the description. Next, navigate to the AI module and click on Performance under Analytics. Here, you can access all the AI agent performance dashboards, including the AI Credits Consumption and Balance dashboard and the AI Credits Usage dashboard. AI credits are the usage-based currency that powers BoldDesk's AI-driven capabilities, including features like AI replies, summaries, and automation. You can purchase these credits anytime from the Billing and Subscription section by selecting AI Agent Credits and choosing a credit pack. Auto purchase can also be enabled to automatically recharge your balance when credits run low. For more on how AI credits work, how to purchase them, and how they are allocated to you, check out the documentation in the description. Administrators can leverage these dedicated dashboards for real-time insights into credit usage, enabling them to optimize costs, identify top consumers, spot trends, and make informed, data-driven decisions for both trial plans with initial free credits and paid bundles. Let's first explore the AI Credits Usage Dashboard. Inside the dashboard, directly below the filter controls, you'll find 4 key usage metrics that give you an overview of AI credit consumption for the selected brand and time range. First, there's total credits used, which shows the overall number of credits consumed by all AI activities, both free and paid. Next is free credits used, which displays how many credits were deducted from your free allocation during the selected period. Then you'll see paid credits used, the number of paid AI credits consumed after your free credits were exhausted or when the system was set to prioritize paid credits first. This metric is essential for forecasting costs and planning when you'll need to replenish your credits. Finally, there's daily credits consumption, which shows the average credits used per day within the selected period. This helps you anticipate when credits might run low and better align your spending with operational workloads. Next, the Top 5 Credit Consumers widget visually highlights the 5 entities with the highest AI credit usage across brands for the selected time period. Using a color-coded chart with proportional segments, it enables administrators to spot usage hotspots and compare consumption across agents, brands, or groups at a glance. A corresponding legend, aligned on the right side, lists each entity with matching colors for effortless correlation. Then there's the Credits Consumption Over Time widget, which provides a visualization of chronological AI credit usage for the selected date range. Unlike the previous widgets, which focus on distribution across agents or brands, this widget focuses on when credits were consumed. It's a critical tool for identifying patterns, spotting anomalies, and understanding the operational tempo of AI-driven processes within your BoldDesk workspace. Use the control buttons at the top for quick actions. You can apply filters and save your customized view for future use. The Date Range filter lets you quickly select options such as today, this week, and last month, or define a custom range of up to 1 year. You can also filter the data by brand. Any applied filters instantly update all applicable widgets on the page. From the same controls, you can refresh the data, save custom views, or print the report. Now, let's switch to the AI Credits Consumption and Balance dashboard. This dashboard focuses on your current billing cycle. At the top, the Credits Overview widget provides a real-time summary of how AI credits have been allocated and consumed within the current billing cycle. This helps you quickly understand your remaining balances, track usage progress, and see the clear split between free and paid credits. You'll see Credits Remaining, which displays the live count of unused credits for the current billing cycle. Next is Credits Used, which shows the total credits consumed so far, along with the percentage of the cycle that's already utilized. Then there's the Free Credit Status, giving you a clear view of your free credit allocations, including how many have been consumed and how many remain. You'll also find the paid credits status, which displays both the remaining and consumed paid credits with easy-to-read usage indicators. Total credits shows the overall number of credits available in your plan, which serves as the baseline or denominator for calculating your credits used percentage. Next, the Daily Credits Consumption, Actual versus Expected widget offers a real-time comparison between how many AI credits your portal is actually using each day and how many it should be using to stay on track for the current billing cycle. This helps you monitor credit efficiency, spot early signs of faster-than-planned usage, and avoid running out of free or paid credits prematurely. The widget highlights whether you're above expected consumption, so using more than planned, or below expected consumption, so using fewer credits, making it easy to detect trends at a glance. Then there's the free to paid credit usage transition widget, which shows exactly how long your free credits will last before the system switches to paid credits, or how long ago that switch happened. For forecasted usage, the module projects your total consumption if current patterns continue. It flags if you'll exceed available credits or stay comfortably within budget. The Time to Credits Exhaustion widget provides a live estimate of remaining days before all free and paid credits are depleted, along with the projected exhaustion date. Next is the Purchase This Cycle widget, which tracks all AI credit purchases made during the current billing cycle, giving visibility to credit acquisition activity and spending control. Finally, the Daily Credits Consumption, Actual and Forecast, and Credits Balance Forecast sections bring it all together with powerful visualizations. Actual usage plotted up to today, projected future consumption based on your current rate, and a daily balance forecast until potential exhaustion. These views help you pinpoint exactly when to replenish credits or optimize AI workloads. Please note that for trial accounts, BoldDesk starts you with an initial 50 AI credits to explore features like the AI Copilot and automated agents. You just saw how easy it is to use these AI credits dashboards in BoldDesk to monitor, analyze, and forecast credit usage. Use them for efficient resource management and uninterrupted AI features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.